So maybe before we start, let's do a little bit of vocab. So a set, that's just a group. Elements, those are just the parts of the group. Set notation, we're just gonna have some letter equals and then your set, your little set brackets, there's little squiggly guys. And this says B is equal to the set Y such that vertical line there means such that. Y is an integer. Integers, those are your counting numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, and on. Your whole numbers are those guys plus 0, and your integers are all those guys plus their negatives. And all of these will say integers. Okay, and it's looks like between -5 and -3, but not including. Okay, so remember that this guy here is less than, and we have less than or equal to, so that means you can include it. And I don't think they'll show up in these types of problems, but just as a reminder, there's also greater than and greater than or equal to. Okay, so we have rewrite the group, right? Because that's a set. Rewrite the group B by listing its different parts. Okay, so set notation, we'll put B is equal to squiggly lines, and we're going to fill in whatever satisfies that guy. Okay, so it might help. Some people are visual, they like to see a number line. If you don't need it, don't worry about it. It's not required, but it might help. So I'll go to -6, -5, -4. I'll go ahead and take it all the way to -2. So let me check these. So -5 would not work because it just is the less than, okay? It's not the or equal to. So -4 would work, okay? Because it does fall right in between the -5 and the -3, but then -3 would not work, right? Because it's just the less than, not the equal to. So our group, the different elements, the different parts, it's just -4. That's it. That's all you do for that one. Let's do a couple more. So this guy says rewrite the set J by listing the elements. So we're going to do our group, list out the parts. So we have J is equal to squiggly guys. Do that number line real quick. I'm going to go to -3, -2, all the way up to, I'm just going to go to 2. So -2 would not work. -1 though does fall in between that -2 and 1. 0 would work. And 1, this one would work because that Z would be less than or equal to. So we will include that 1. So our set, our group, the different parts, the different elements are going to be -1, (0, (1). And that's it. Let's do one more real quick. Set B equal to, let's get our number line. This one looks kind of funny because the numbers are right next to each other, but -5 would be an option because it is or equal to, and -4 would also be an option. So our group, our set, has the parts or elements -5 and -4. And I believe in ALEKS, it doesn't matter what order you put them in. I just tend to put them in order myself. Let me write that 5 a little bit better for you. And I think that should be it.